have a cold front that's going to move in across central Florida late morning, early afternoon, and a couple of those storms could be on the strong to severe side. We are looking at an isolated threat for most of central Florida, but from Ocala and north, along with northern Flagler County, it's a scattered severe weather threat. Now, if anything does turn severe, it's going to be because of damaging winds. So that's winds of 60 miles per hour or higher. The tornado threat is on the lower end, but for most of us, we're not going to see a lot of rotation, though the better opportunity for some rotation could be in northern Marion County and northern Flagler County. Our front right now is approaching the Big Bend area of Florida and the First Coast, but we already have a lot of cloud cover to start. Here's a look outside right now from our Tower Cam network along the Tourist District. And ahead of that front, we're even tracking a couple of showers working through Daytona Beach, moving past DeLand over towards Deltona, past DeLeon Springs and over towards New Smyrna Beach, Edgewater, Samsula. Some heavier rainfall right around the Sanford Longwood area, and another batch of rainfall developing around Ocoee, working towards downtown Orlando. Claremont, you're dry, but it's this line of rainfall working from Lake County into western Orange County on the way towards the Tourist District, with more along the Four Corners area and Celebration. So a couple of showers ahead of that main line. Those are not expected to be severe. By 10-11 o'clock, here comes that cold front working through Marion County, pushing past Marion County through Lake, Sumter, northwestern Volusia, Flagler counties around 1 o'clock. Then by 1:30, moving across I-4 down to Osceola, eastern Orange County and northern Brevard County around 2:30 and 3. Still a couple of lingering showers around 3:30 and 4, but all of that rainfall will exit central Florida by 5 o'clock. So it's not going to rain all day today, but for some, we will have some showers and a couple of thunderstorms at pickup, and that's going to be for our south and east locations. Also, you'll notice our temperatures will warm up very quickly ahead of that cold front, and usually we typically see that peak hitting around 3 o'clock. It's going to be before 3 o'clock, and then once that cold front passes through, colder air is going to filter on in. By the way, today's going to be a very gusty day. We have wind advisories in effect until 5 o'clock this evening because of gusts of around 35 to 40 miles per hour. Then tomorrow morning, we're waking up to temperatures in the 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll have a lot of sunshine, breezy conditions, and highs in the 60s. So it is going to be a chilly afternoon, but Friday morning, it's going to be cold. Temperatures in the 40s to start off our day on Friday, warming up into the middle 70s by the afternoon. 80s return Saturday, then we have more rain on Sunday.